Hi friends, this video is about flavors of Splunk or types of deployment of Splunk. So please do not get confused with one of my video Splunk deployment. So that video is with respect to Splunk architecture, how you deploy your components in your environment. This is about how you get the services from Splunk INC. Okay, so in that front there are three main main deployment types are there. One is enterprise, Splunk enterprise, and second Splunk cloud and lightweight. These are two the information I'm giving additional, but with respect to certification, the questions come around these three. So the first one in this is Splunk Enterprise. So Splunk Enterprise, where you have your own infrastructure on which you want to install Splunk. So just you need to download Splunk from a Splunk site and then install it on your premises, your infrastructure, how you want to define indexer, cluster or search head, how you want to do. You need to do planning for that, install your instance and install license on that. For licensing, you need to contact to Splunk support. And once you get the license, you install it and you can use it enterprise. So and you get the support from Splunk as well. Next one is Splunk Cloud, where the infrastructure is also maintained by Splunk. So what you need to do is you need to take a plan of Splunk Cloud, and you need to give your requirement to Splunk, and they will create the instances for you as per your requirement. So this is the cloud version of it. So again, the Splunk pricing is depend on a per day index basis, how much data you index per day. So accordingly, and plus the support what you take from Splunk. Also, there are some charges for premium applications as well. So those things you need to take under consideration when you are deploying your solution for your organization. So next one is Splunk Lite. It's very light, as name suggested. It generally used for a small organization where few handful data you need to ingest to Splunk and work around. So it's a very limited version of Splunk. So next one is Hunk, and Hunk generally used for big data environment where you have a large uh, environment where you can install Hunk and use it. Free version generally use it for POC, and it has 60 days of free trial where you can ingest 500 MB data per day. So there are a few things I will describe in detail regarding this. First one is maximum daily index volume. So as I mentioned, in Splunk free license, you have 500 MB of data per day ingested. You can ingest. In enterprise, it's unlimited, and in cloud also it's unlimited, provided you need to purchase licensing for that. So Splunk will charge on the basis of per day index. So as per your requirement, you need to tell Splunk how much license you required from Splunk. So maximum users. Splunk supports Splunk free license support one user. So generally this kind of setup we use it for POC or personal use or learning purpose. And in enterprise it's unlimited, provided you have sufficient resources on your search head. So because login for user search and is for user interface, search it is responsible for it, and similarly on Splunk Cloud has unlimited user support provided you have sufficient resources on the search it. So universal data collection and indexing. So as you see, Splunk free version supports it. Also, all the other deployment supports. So metrics, storage, data collection add-ons for and data collection or add-ons generally when we use a specific kind of data ingestion. So we use data add-on. So data add-on supported by all the flavors, all the deployments. Metrics storage is also supported by all the deployments. So monitoring and alerting. This is the part where Splunk free version doesn't support this functionality, uh, but enterprise and cloud version supports it. So apart from that all other details are supported by all these flavors like dashboards and reports, search and analysis, event annotation, automatic data enrichment, anomaly detection, table and more data models and pivot. Splunk base where you get the data from Splunk or install app from Splunk. For that you need a Splunk user or to log into Splunk base or Splunk support. So next one is a Splunk premium solution. So Splunk provides some premium solution like enterprise security and IT operations and user behavior analysis. For those solution, it has premium applications. So for that, we need to pay extra amount apart from your enterprise or cloud instance, uh, cloud setup. So for that, Splunk free version doesn't support those premium solution, though enterprise and cloud version supports it. For getting a premium solution, you need to support, you need to contact Splunk sales to get those a solution, and then you will get the license for premium solutions. High availability, Splunk's free license doesn't support high availability, but both other support. Disaster recovery, free version again it doesn't support, but rest of them support it. Clustering is not supported. Like if you want to do search it clustering and index clustering, so not supported in free version, though it's supported in enterprise security and sorry, enterprise Splunk enterprise and Splunk cloud version. Distributed searches not supported in free version, supported in the two versions. Performance acceleration not supported in free version, supported in other version. Access control, as I mentioned, it has only one user allowed to this, so access control is not possible. You cannot provide access to other users. So it is possible, access control is possible in other two deployment. Single sign-on not possible, or LDAP integration is not possible in Splunk free version, though it is supported in other versions. Uh, Developer environment, there is no developer environment for free version, but it is there for Splunk enterprise and Splunk cloud. Dynamic data not there in free version, as well it's not there in enterprise version, but cloud supports it. Support, uh, Splunk community support given to free version. For enterprise and cloud version there are standard and premium support. So for getting this support you need to contact Splunk, and you need to pay extra for this kind of support. Standard support is kind of standard support, and premium you get some extra weightage for your support. So again, all these Splunk, all two of them you can deploy it in your environment. You can get it downloaded free from Splunk site, and for free version you have 60 days of trial license where you can ingest 500 MB of data. However, for enterprise, you need to uh, get licensing file from Splunk support, and you need to install that on license master. Okay, and for cloud, again, for this you need to contact Splunk sales. And for free trial cloud, it gives a 15 days of free cloud instance where you can, it's similar to Splunk free version, but everything is on cloud. Here you install it on your environment, but here you can just get your own Splunk instance and you can play around with. So for installing Splunk, I have created one video for it. So go and have a look. If you need more